Hello and welcome to my tutorial. Today we are going to explore an exciting hack to create unique art using Google Map coordinates with what 3 words? Let's dive right in. What 3 Words is a website integrated with the Google Maps API that converts coordinates into 3 unique words. Each tile on the map has its own distinct set of 3 words, which we will use to generate AI-generated images. For instance, I have searched Burj Khalifa. Here you can see the corresponding tile with its unique 3 words. Copy and paste these words into Blue Willow AI on Discord. While I'm using Blue Willow, you can opt for Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, or other AI image generators. And there you have it. Burj Khalifa transformed into a captivating AI-generated image using those 3 words. If you're not completely satisfied with the outcome, you can simply change the tile by copying and pasting new words and generating again. Fantastic results. Now let's explore something different. How about generating an AI image of Eiffel Tower in Paris? Choose the appropriate tile, copy those 3 magical words, and witness the transformation unfold. Impressive, isn't it? You can also experiment further by regenerating the image to get unique variations. Now let's take this hack a step further. What if we make our prompt even smarter? I'll enlist the help of chatgpt to generate a prompt using 3 words associated with the Statue of Liberty. Watch as the magic unfolds. Copy and paste the prompt generated by chatgpt. Hit enter and witness the marvelous AI-generated image of Statue of Liberty with the combined power of what 3 words? ChatGPT and Blue Willow. That concludes today's tutorial. Feel free to dive into this innovative hack, and don't hesitate to share your experience in the comments. I'll be back with more exciting content in the next video.